Thanks for checking in with us here at Orlando Experience. We have exciting news as a name has been announced for the new Margaritaville Orlando Waterpark, Island H2O Live, and they have released a new park map. We also can see that the water coaster will end with a wave wall and that the park will have a constrictor slide, which will be new to the Orlando market. We can also see that the bowl slide has also been completed. The wave pool foundation is coming along and is nearing completion. The drop capsules have also been installed for the speed slides. The third slide tower has also gone vertical and will house the park's family raft slides. The pieces for these slides have arrived and are waiting in the storage lot for installation. Finally, construction of the park's first building has went vertical. Stay tuned to Orlando Experience for more construction updates on Island's H2O Live.